Changing the new mail notification alert sound on your iPhone 15 allows you to personalize your device and easily distinguish email alerts from other notifications. Here's how it's done. First, return to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, scroll down and tap on New Mail. By default, this is set to None. To change it, scroll through the list of available sounds. Tap on a sound to preview and select it. You can also access more options by tapping on the Classic category, which offers additional sound choices. Select the sound you prefer for new mail notifications. You can also use a desired tone by purchasing one from the tone store. Simply tap Tone Store to pick your desired tone from the Featured or Charts category. If you don't want to receive any alert for new emails, you can set it back to the default selection, which is None. Once you've made your selection, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. And that's it. Subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.